What is up, everyone? Welcome to another Christmas edition. Today we are doing You're a Mean One, Mr. Grinch by Tommy Johansson. It says it is the epic Christmas version, whatever that means. If I remember correctly, I might be wrong, but I think they said this is the guitar player for Sabaton, maybe? I don't remember. But I had a few people mention he was doing a whole bunch of Christmas songs. So I just picked one. No one ever told me which one to do, so this is the one I have chosen. So I love the Grinch. And we're just gonna jump straight into it. So let's check it out. Here we go. Okay, that must be Tommy. So far, so good. The intro.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch.
I can say pretty
I
good,
think there
Kenny.
are others that agrees when I say that you're a greasy black pig.
Right?
You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders. You got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a third eye. And I You're a wild one, Mr. Grinch. You have termites in your smile. You have all the tender sweetness of a seasick crocodile, Mr. Grinch. Given the choice between the two of you, I'd take the seasick crocodile.
Yeah.
You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch. You're a nasty, wasty skunk. Your heart is full of unwashed sucks. Your soul is full of gunk, Mr. Grinch. The three words that best describe you are as follows, and I quote: Stink! 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 I'm a rotter. I'm the Grinch. I'm the king of shameful shots. My heart's a dead tomato splattered with moldy purple spots. I'm the Grinch. My soul is an appealing dump heap overflowing with the most disgraceful assortment of deplorable rubbish imaginable. Mangle up in tangle of night.
I love the Grinch costume.
You nauseate me, Mr. Grinch, with a nauseous super nose. You're a crooked daddy yankee and you drive a crooked horse, Mr. Grinch. You're 3 decades sauerkraut and a tofu sandwich. We're not to be
I'm husky. Åh, vad ingen luft än.
That was freaking awesome. I could sing music. I mean, that's a Christmas song for you. You know, you gotta have some metal in a Christmas. That's what makes it good, different. Pretty cool video, everything. If you guys got any more suggestions for Tommy there, love to check some more out. I just don't know where to go next. You know, he sounds awesome. Please throw those in the comment section, or anything else you think I should check out, or if you just want to say what is up. I will catch you guys later. Peace out.